Hey, I'm here with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to claim the brand new Wands Discord Nitro promotion where you can get 1 month of Discord Nitro completely. So, let's get this started. First, let's take a look at the official Discord support page for this promotion. As you can see here, Discord explains the full details that the promo is available from April 28, 2026 to next year. The promotion gives 1 month of Nitro. Now, something a lot of people misunderstand. Discord states that your Wand account must be at least 1 month old to claim 1 month reward. You also must not have had Discord Nitro or a Nitro trial in the past 12 months. This offer works anywhere beside Turkey, Russia, Ukraine, Syria, and some more countries. Now, claiming the offer is super easy. You just need to go to Wand's website, create an account, download the app on your Windows PC, and claim your 1 month Nitro. Now, I want to let you know that this app works only on Windows. It does not work on MacBook. Now, to claim your 1 month Nitro, you need to click your Wand's profile at the top right-hand side, and then simply go to your profile page. And you should be able to find the Nitro offer there. This is how the Discord Nitro from Wand looks like. I know it says September 25th. This is last year's screenshot, but this is how it should look even for you.
Okay guys, so I know most of y'all are probably thinking, that's not free, and yeah, I know. But you know what is free? The decors and layouts in my Discord server. All you have to do is click this button right here, pick a channel, and send in your request. That's it. One of our staff members will make your decor and deliver it to you for free.
Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and come join my server. I'd love to see you there.